I'm sure you've heard the news. Uric acid levels are a hot topic these days, and for good reason. High uric acid can lead to gout, a form of arthritis that can cause severe pain and discomfort. It's not just about avoiding pain though. Managing uric acid levels is crucial for overall health and well-being. So, let's dive into the foods you should avoid to keep those levels in check. Uric acid control is key. Let's talk food. The foods we consume play a significant role in our body's uric acid levels. By making mindful choices, we can help our bodies maintain a healthy balance. It's not just about cutting out certain foods, it's about making smarter choices that benefit our overall health. First up, red meat. Sorry, steak lovers. Red meat, including beef, lamb, and pork, is high in purines, which are substances that the body breaks down into uric acid. When you consume a lot of red meat, your body produces more uric acid, which can lead to higher levels in your blood. This can increase the risk of gout and other health issues. High in purines, it cranks up uric acid. Purines are found in many foods, but red meat is particularly high in them. When you eat red meat, your body has to work harder to break down these purines, resulting in an increase in uric acid production. This can be problematic for those who are prone to gout or have high uric acid levels. Maybe swap that T-bone for a tofu steak? Tofu is a great alternative to red meat. It's high in protein but low in purines, making it a healthier choice for those looking to manage their uric acid levels. Plus, tofu is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes from stir-fries to salads. Next, seafood fans, brace yourselves. Shellfish and sardines? They're purine powerhouses. While seafood is generally considered healthy, certain types are high in purines. Shellfish, such as shrimp, crab, and lobster, as well as sardines and anchovies, can significantly increase uric acid levels. Go fish, but think salmon or trout instead. Salmon and trout are excellent alternatives to high-purine seafood. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, and they have lower purine content compared to shellfish and sardines. By choosing these fish, you can enjoy the health benefits of seafood without the risk of increasing your uric acid levels. Now, sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, including sodas and fruit juices with added sugars, can also contribute to high uric acid levels. These beverages can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, both of which are risk factors for gout. Yep, that soda can in your hand. It's not just about the sugar content. Sugary drinks can also cause your body to produce more uric acid. When you consume these beverages, your body has to process the excess sugar, which can lead to an increase in uric acid production. It spikes uric acid like a trampoline. The rapid increase in uric acid levels caused by sugary drinks can be compared to a trampoline, where the levels bounce up quickly and can lead to a sudden onset of gout symptoms. Time to sip on some refreshing water or herbal tea. Water and herbal teas are excellent alternatives to sugary drinks. They help keep you hydrated and can aid in flushing out excess uric acid from your body. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy uric acid levels. And, oh, beer! Beer is another beverage that can significantly impact uric acid levels. It's not just the alcohol content. Beer also contains purines, which can contribute to higher uric acid levels. This one's a bummer. For many, beer is a favorite drink, but it's important to be mindful of its effects on uric acid levels. Consuming beer regularly can increase the risk of gout attacks. Beer's a double whammy: purines and alcohol. The combination of purines and alcohol in beer makes it particularly problematic for those with high uric acid levels. Both substances can contribute to an increase in uric acid production, leading to a higher risk of gout. Maybe switch to a cool mocktail? Mocktails are a great alternative to beer. They are alcohol-free and can be made with a variety of healthy ingredients, such as fresh fruits and herbs. By choosing mocktails, you can enjoy a refreshing drink without the risk of increasing your uric acid levels. Lastly, organ meats. Organ meats, such as liver, kidneys, and sweetbreads, are extremely high in purines. Consuming these meats can lead to a significant increase in uric acid levels. Liver, kidneys, you name it. They're purine-packed. These meats are often considered delicacies, but they can be detrimental to those with high uric acid levels. It's best to avoid them if you're looking to manage your uric acid levels effectively. Stick to lean meats and veggie options. Lean meats such as chicken and turkey are lower in purines and can be a healthier choice for those looking to manage their uric acid levels. Additionally, incorporating more vegetables into your diet can provide essential nutrients and help maintain a healthy balance. There you have it. Swap these out, and your uric acid will thank you. By making these simple swaps, you can help keep your uric acid levels in check and reduce the risk of gout and other health issues. It's all about making mindful choices and prioritizing your health, and your uric acid will thank you. Your body will appreciate the effort you put into making healthier choices. Over time, you'll likely notice improvements in your overall well-being and a reduction in gout symptoms. Stay healthy, stay happy. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle goes beyond just diet. Regular exercise, stress management, and staying hydrated are all important factors in keeping your uric acid levels in check. By taking a holistic approach to your health, you can enjoy a happier, healthier life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. We're here to provide you with valuable information to help you live your best life. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay updated on the latest health tips and advice. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your wealth, so take care of yourself and make informed choices every day. Welcome back. Now that we know what foods to avoid, let's focus on what you should include in your diet to help lower uric acid levels. Eating the right foods can make a big difference in managing uric acid and preventing gout. So, let's dive right in. First up, cherries. Cherries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies have shown that cherries can help reduce uric acid levels and decrease the frequency of gout attacks. Whether fresh, frozen, or in juice form, cherries are a great addition to your diet. Next, let's talk about berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in vitamin C and fiber. These nutrients help lower uric acid levels and reduce inflammation. Incorporate a variety of berries into your meals or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Now, onto leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in purines and high in vitamins and minerals. These greens can help maintain a healthy balance of uric acid in the body. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or as a side dish to your main meals. How about some nuts and seeds? Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats and proteins. They are low in purines and can help reduce inflammation. Enjoy a handful as a snack or sprinkle them on your salads and yogurt. Whole grains are also important. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice provide essential nutrients and fiber. They are low in purines and can help stabilize uric acid levels. Swap refined grains for whole grains in your meals for added health benefits. Let's not forget about low-fat dairy. Low-fat dairy products like yogurt, milk, and cheese can help lower uric acid levels. They are good sources of protein and calcium without the high purine content found in some other protein-rich foods. Opt for low-fat or fat-free versions to keep your diet balanced. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out excess uric acid from your body. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas and lemon water are also great options to stay hydrated and support your body's natural detox processes. Finally, let's talk about citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which can help lower uric acid levels. Enjoy them fresh, in juices, or as a tangy addition to your dishes. There you have it. Incorporate these foods into your diet, and you'll be on your way to maintaining healthy uric acid levels. Remember, it's not just about avoiding certain foods, but also about making positive choices that benefit your overall health. Stay healthy, stay happy. By including these nutritious foods in your diet, you can help manage uric acid levels and reduce the risk of gout. Keep making those smart choices, and your body will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. We're here to provide you with valuable information to help you live your best life. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay updated on the latest health tips and advice. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your wealth, so take care of yourself and make informed choices every day. Welcome back! Now that we've covered the foods to avoid and those to include in your diet, let's dive into some lifestyle changes that can help manage uric acid levels effectively. Making these changes can not only help control uric acid, but also improve your overall well-being. First, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for managing uric acid levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even yoga. Exercise helps improve blood circulation and reduces inflammation, both of which are beneficial for managing uric acid. Next up, hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for flushing out excess uric acid from your body. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. You can also include herbal teas and lemon water to keep things interesting. Proper hydration helps your kidneys function optimally, aiding in the elimination of uric acid. Now let's focus on stress management. High stress levels can trigger gout attacks and increase uric acid levels. Incorporate stress-relieving activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even a hobby you enjoy. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can go a long way in keeping stress at bay and maintaining a healthy balance of uric acid. Don't forget about sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and helps in managing stress. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. A well-rested body is better equipped to handle stress and maintain balanced uric acid levels. Lastly, avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol, especially beer and spirits, can increase uric acid levels and trigger gout attacks. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and opt for wine, which has a lower impact on uric acid. There you have it. By incorporating these lifestyle changes, you can effectively manage your uric acid levels and improve your overall health. Remember, it's all about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. Stay active, stay hydrated, manage your stress, and get enough sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. We're here to provide you with valuable information to help you live your best life. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay updated on the latest health tips and advice. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Your health is your wealth, so take care of yourself and make informed choices every day.